Hello students, welcome to SOURAV SIR'S classes. The question is, let A be a real symmetric matrix and B is equal to capital I plus small I into A, where I squared is equal to -1. Then option A, B is invertible if and only if A is invertible. Option B, all eigenvalues of B are necessarily real. Option C, B minus I is necessarily invertible. And option D, B is necessarily invertible. Now let A is equal to 0, so we get B equals I. So option A is incorrect, since for this case A is not invertible but B is equal to I, so it's still invertible. So option A incorrect. Option C, B minus I is necessarily invertible. No, this is not true. If B is equal to I, then this becomes I minus I, that is 0. So this is again false. Then let A is equal to I. Then clearly B is equal to 1 plus I, small I, into capital I. And so all its eigenvalues would be complex. So all eigenvalues would be complex. So option B is again incorrect. Therefore option D is the correct answer. You could also say this because all the eigenvalues of A are real, being real symmetric, and thus the eigenvalues of B are 1 plus I lambda, which is not equal to 0 for any real lambda. So B is necessarily invertible. The next question is, let A is equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 1, then the smallest positive integer n such that A to the power n is equal to I is. So let us calculate A squared, that is 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, which gives us 0 into 0 plus 1 into minus 1, so minus 1. 0 into 1 is 0 plus 1 into 1, so 1. This is minus 1. So minus 1 into 0 is 0 plus 1 into minus 1, which is again minus 1. And minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, plus 1 into 1, that is 0. Then A cube is equal to A squared into A, so minus 1, 1, 0 into 0, 1, minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 into 0, 0, plus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, plus 1 into 1, this is again 0. Then 1 into 0 plus 0 into minus 1 is 0. 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1 is, or rather I made a mistake, this is minus 1 over here. So what we'll get is this minus 1 into 0 plus 0 into minus 1, this is 0. It didn't have any effect because we had a 0, and so 0 into minus 1 or 1 didn't make any difference. But minus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1 gives us minus 1, which is equal to minus I. Since A cube is equal to minus I, so A cube whole squared would be equal to minus I squared, or A to the power 6 is equal to I. So the value of n is equal to 6. Option D is the correct answer.